So a lot of people ask us, how come we have 4 different 70% dark chocolate bars? Good question, so I thought we'd take today just to explain a little bit about that. So we have our 4 different bars. We have our Messiah, our Cosibolka, our Apoyo, and Mombacho bars. All of them 70%. The 3 of them only have 2 ingredients, the cacao and sugar, and the Messiah bar has a tiny bit of cocoa butter, so it's just 3 ingredients. So some of the differences, all of the beans are from Nicaragua. Basically we use 4 different types of beans. They're different genetics. We ferment them a little bit differently, and we definitely roast them a little bit differently. So each one, it's a bit like a vineyard, if you want to think of it like that, you have different varieties of grapes, and you generally don't blend them all together. You want to harvest them separately. So that's what we do in the farm. We have our different lots of different genetics, and then we harvest them separately, we ferment them separately, maintain them that way all the way up till we get to the chocolate factory. Then we say, okay, today I'm going to make the Mombacho bar. We take the beans that we use for the Mombacho bar, the roast profile for this bar, and then we roast and start making the chocolate. So roast profiles and different varieties of beans and different fermentation are some of the differences. So what's really cool about this, and one of the reasons that we wanted to do this, was to help people understand the different tasting notes that you can get from just 2 ingredients or 3 ingredients. So you can see these. Our tasting notes are on the back of the bar. Up the top we have our tasting notes. We have these bars in 50 grams, the larger one, which you can get on our website, and if you get them at a pack as well with this gift box. So you can actually pop them in here like this as the gift box. Or if you're just looking for something a little bit smaller to start out, we also have them in 25 grams as a little pack like this. These still have the tasting notes, so we've had some really good feedback from people that as gifts for people, either one of these is quite cool. You can do like a little tasting night, a little degustation, and for the different tasting notes, and pair them with wine or cheese or whatever else you might want to do. So we have these are 70% bars. There are 4 of them. All of them have different tasting notes, which vary from like cherry, banana, more blackberries. We have more fruit, acid, and cardamom. The Cosibolka one has more cardamom, coffee notes. Lots of different ones. You can see this on our website, and also when you buy them, they're listed here on the back of the bar. So you can reference them as you're tasting if you wish. So check it out. We have 4 different ones, and I hope you enjoy them.